Hi, young explorers! Join us for a delightful journey with discovering farm animals, fun, and safari wildlife adventure for toddlers, where little explorers can experience the wonders of the farm and the excitement of the safari in a fun-filled educational setting. This adventure is perfect for toddlers to learn and connect with animals from the comfort of their play area. Introduce toddlers to friendly farm animals like cows. Kick off the video. The regal and resilient horse. Horses are social animals that form strong bonds with others, both within and outside their herd. They are often display social hierarchy or pecking order. Horses have panoramic vision. Horned legends, the life of Rhinoceros. These incredible creatures are some of the biggest animals in the world. The largest of the five species is the white rhino, which can grow to 1.8 meters tall and can weigh a massive 2,500 kg. In Africa, white rhino are known as grazers. Through the eyes of the wolf. Wolves are closely related to domestic dogs, sharing a common ancestor. They exhibit many similar behaviors and characteristics, although domestication has led to significant differences in appearance and behavior between the two species. Striped elegans, the zebra symphony. The grave zebra now live in Ethiopia and northern Kenya. There are three main types of zebra, but the grave zebra has declined in numbers at around 54% since the 1980s, where the population was estimated at 5,800. Today the population is approximately 2,000. The spellbinding world of polar bears. Polar bears are particularly vulnerable to climate change because they rely on sea ice to hunt for seals. The reduction in Arctic sea ice due to global warming poses a significant threat to their population. Unlocking the beauty of the cat. Cats are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. This behavior is a result of their evolution as hunters, as these times provide optimal conditions for hunting prey. This behavior also helps regulate body temperature. A closer look at speed demo on cheetah. Cheetahs are primarily found in sub-Saharan Africa, although a small population also exists in Iran. They inhabit a range of environments, including grassland, savannas, and open woodlands. Insights into the lives of dogs. Dogs come in a wide range of sizes, from the tiny Chihuahua to the giant Great Dane. The smallest dog ever recorded was a Yorkshire Terrier, weighing just 4 ounces. From solid colors to spots, stripes, and brindles. up close with the enigmatic raccoon. Raccoons are medium-sized mammals, known for their distinctive black markings around their eyes. Raccoons are highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of habitats, including forest, the enchanting life of geese. Geese are highly social birds and are known for their strong family bonds. They often travel in large groups, forming impressive V-shaped formations during migration. Geese are known for forming monogamous pairs that often stay together for life. Fierce guardians. The role of tiger. The tiger is a rare animal that is essential to the variety and health of an ecosystem. At the top of the food chain, it is a top predator. As a result, the existence of tigers in the forest is a sign that the ecology is healthy. The allure of llamas revealed. Llamas were domesticated by the indigenous peoples of the Andes Mountains in South America around 4,000 to 5,000 years ago. Llamas have been traditionally used as pack animals in the Andes, carrying goods over rough and mountainous terrain. The elegance and grace of deer. There are around 90 species of deer worldwide, ranging from the tiny poodle, which stands only about a foot tall at the shoulder, to the majestic moose. One of the most recognizable features of deer are their antlers. Tales from the herd of the moose. While moose are large and powerful, they do have natural predators, including wolves and bears. However, adult moose are formidable and can defend themselves effectively. Adult males, known as bulls, can weigh up to 1,500 pounds. Curious creatures, the hyena. Hyenas are efficient hunters and have been observed working together in groups to bring down large prey. They are also known for scavenging, often taking over kills made by other predators. A visual feast of alligator majesty. Alligators are carnivorous and primarily feed on fish, turtles, birds, and mammals. They are opportunistic predators and may consume almost anything they can overpower. American alligators are generally larger than Chinese alligators. The surprising facts about chickens. Chickens are one of the most populous bird species on the planet, with billions of them raised worldwide for meat and egg production. Chicken is one of the most versatile meats enjoyed in various cuisines globally. Insights into the hippo adventure. Hippos are social beasts, hanging out in groups called schools, bloods, pods or sieges. Schools of hippos usually consist of 10 to 30 members, including both female and males. Sheep of the desert, the camel. Domesticated Bactrian camels are found in Central Asia. Dromedary camels inhabit the Middle East and Central Australia, where they were introduced. Wild Bactrian camels occupy isolated areas of China and Mongolia. Animal expedition. Meet the bull. Bulls are powerful and intelligent animals with keen senses and impressive physical strength. They play a significant role in agriculture and have long been symbols of strength and power in various cultures. Pride and power of King Lion. Lions are incredibly fast and agile. They can reach speeds of up to 50 mph, 80 km per hour in short bursts, and are capable of leaping distances of up to 36 feet, 11 meters. One of the most distinctive features of male lions is their mane. It serves as a form of protection during the fights. Unraveling the mysteries of giraffe. Giraffes have excellent eyesight, which helps them detect predators from a distance. Their large eyes provide a wide field of view, and they are particularly good at spotting movement. Giraffes are herbivores, primarily feeding on leaves, fruits, and flowers. Wild Kingdom unveiled the elephant. We often hear about African and Asian elephants, but did you know that there are actually three species? There are African forest elephants, African savanna elephants, and Asian elephants. All three species are genetically different, with African savanna elephants being the largest and African forest and Asian elephants being smaller. I appreciate your time committed to watching Discovering Farm Animals Fun and Safari Wildlife Adventures for Toddlers episode. Subscribe now for Discovering Farm Animals Fun and Safari Wildlife Adventure for Toddlers, and let your little ones embark on a magical journey filled with fun, learning and discovery. Stay excited for more muddy adventures. Catch you later, little gang!